The PIOEV-TKA replacement for HP laptop charger is a reliable power adapter designed for HP laptops. Offered by the PIOEV-TKA store, this charger supports 65W and 45W output with a smart blue tip connector. It is compatible with numerous HP models, including EliteBook, Envy, Pavilion, ProBook, Stream, Chromebook, Spectre, and Zbook series, ensuring wide usability. This charger operates on an input voltage range of 100-240 V at 50 to 60 Hz and delivers a maximum output of 19.5 V at 3.33A for 65W or 2.31A for 45W. The connector size measures 4.5 by 3.0 mm. It matches various HP part numbers such as 710412-001, 741727-001, and 709985-002. The product meets stringent electrical safety standards recognized in the United States and Canada. It includes multiple safety features against short circuits, overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. A 12-month warranty backs the charger with responsive after-sales support. Ideal for HP laptop users needing a dependable replacement charger, this product offers peace of mind through certified safety and broad compatibility. It is a practical choice to maintain uninterrupted laptop performance.